In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Beehiiv with your LinkedIn profile. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you might be wondering what Beehiiv is and why it's so beneficial for your LinkedIn profile. Beehiiv is an innovative platform designed for creators to build and manage their email newsletters effortlessly. It can help you connect with your audience in a way that LinkedIn alone may not be able to. Now, let's explore how to integrate this powerful tool with your LinkedIn to amplify your professional presence. To begin, the first step is to create an account on Beehiiv. Head over to their website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll need to enter your email address and create a password. Verify your email account by checking your inbox for a confirmation link. Once you click that link, you can log into your new Beehiiv account. Now that you're set up on Beehiiv, let's talk about how to design your newsletter. The dashboard presents a user-friendly interface where you can start crafting your email newsletter. Think about your target audience. What content do you believe they would find valuable? Whether it's industry insights, tips, or personal stories, having a clear idea of your content will help you engage better with your readers. Once you have your content in mind, you can start creating your newsletter by clicking on the Create button. Choose the format and layout that you believe best represents your personal or professional brand. You can add images, choose font styles, and even implement call-to-action buttons to encourage your readers to engage further. Make it visually appealing and succinct, so it's easy for your audience to absorb the information. After designing your newsletter, it's time to link it to your LinkedIn profile. Go back to your LinkedIn account and navigate to your profile page. This is where you can showcase your Beehiiv newsletter. Scroll down to the featured section of your profile and click on the plus icon to add new content. You can choose to add a link here. Now, return to your Beehiiv account and grab the URL for your newsletter. You can find this in the settings menu or on your dashboard, depending on how your platform is arranged. Once you have the link handy, paste it into the LinkedIn Add Link prompt. It's a great way to drive traffic to your newsletter directly from your professional network. Don't forget to include a catchy title and description that explains what your newsletter is about and why people should subscribe. Next, it's important to promote your newsletter actively on LinkedIn. Create a new post sharing a snippet or a preview of your upcoming newsletter. This serves two purposes. It allows your connections to get a taste of the content you provide, and it encourages them to sign up for the full experience. Use captivating language, such as, "Don't miss out on this week's insights," to create urgency and excitement around your content. Engagement is key. Don't hesitate to invite your connections to comment or share their thoughts on the subject of your newsletter. This interaction boosts your visibility, leading more eyes to your newsletter and, consequently, to your LinkedIn profile. Finally, ensure you regularly update your Beehiiv newsletter and keep your LinkedIn profile fresh. Consistency is vital when building a connection with your audience. Share your evolving insights, tips, or stories that align with your brand narrative. As you follow these steps to integrate Beehiiv with your LinkedIn profile, you'll not only enhance your professional presence, but also foster deeper connections with your audience. Alright, that wraps up today's lesson on using Beehiiv with LinkedIn. Remember, your goal is to create engaging content that resonates with your audience. If you found this video inspiring or helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Happy connecting, and have a fantastic day.